You know, sometimes we look around at our lives and feel like everything is moving so fast. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and before we even realize it, another year has gone by. We wake up, go through our routines, deal with our problems, chase our goals, and then go to sleep, only to repeat it all again the next day. Life can start to feel like a constant rush. But in the middle of all this movement, there's something many of us rarely stop to think about. And that is the reality that this life is temporary. Every single one of us knows this deep down. We know that one day, our time here will come to an end. Yet somehow, we still live as if we have endless time ahead of us. We delay the things that truly matter. We tell ourselves we'll change later. We tell ourselves we'll become better tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll pray more. Tomorrow, I'll leave that bad habit. Tomorrow, I'll get closer to Allah. But the truth is, tomorrow is never promised. There are people who had plans for tomorrow, just like we do. People who thought they had many years ahead of them. People who expected to wake up the next morning. But their story ended sooner than they expected. And this isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to remind us of something important. Life is a gift. Every single day we wake up is another opportunity that Allah has given us. Another chance to become better. Another chance to fix our mistakes. Another chance to return to Him. Allah's mercy is greater than we can imagine. No matter how far someone feels they have gone, no matter how many mistakes they have made, the door of repentance is always open. Sometimes people think they are too sinful to come back to Allah. They feel ashamed. They feel like they've messed up too many times. But that's exactly when a person should turn back, because Allah is the most merciful. Think about it. If Allah wanted to punish us immediately for every mistake we make, none of us would be here. Every day we are given chances. Chances to reflect. Chances to improve. Chances to reconnect with our Creator. And sometimes, the smallest step toward Allah can change everything. It might start with something simple. Praying one prayer that you used to miss. Opening the Quran for a few minutes. Making a sincere dua late at night. Even just taking a moment to speak to Allah honestly. Those small moments matter more than we realize, because every step toward Allah is noticed. And Allah promises something beautiful. When a servant comes closer to Him, even a little, Allah comes closer to them even more. That means no effort is wasted. No sincere intention goes unnoticed. Sometimes we think we have to become perfect overnight, but that's not how change works. Real change happens step by step. Little improvements, little decisions. Little moments where you choose what is right instead of what is easy. And over time, those small choices transform a person. They transform the heart. They transform the direction of someone's life. So if you ever feel like you're behind, if you ever feel like you haven't done enough, remember that the most important thing is simply to start. Start turning back to Allah. Start improving little by little. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Because the reality is that none of us know how much time we have left. But what we do know is that every moment we are alive is an opportunity. An opportunity to seek forgiveness. An opportunity to do good. An opportunity to build something that will benefit us long after this life ends. And one day, when this life is over, the things that seemed so important in this world will no longer matter. The money, the status, the temporary problems, all of it will fade away. But what will remain are the deeds we sent forward, the prayers we made, the good we did, the moments when we chose Allah over our desires. Those are the things that will truly matter. So take a moment today to reflect. take a moment to reconnect. And remember that as long as you are breathing, the door back to Allah is still open. And sometimes, one sincere step toward Him can change the entire direction of your life.